YSU hosting Milwaukee on national TV tonight with the game on ESPNU. It was all Juwan Maxey early for YSU. He gets the nice and one finish, plus the foul, 3 points the old-fashioned way. Then Maxey again, this time pulling up for the triple. It's a 12-0 run to give YSU the lead. Maxey had 18 in the first half and finished with 29. Now less than 10 ticks left. Nico Galette pulls up and hits a three at the buzzer. Game tied at halftime, but second half, the Panthers caught fire, building up a 15-point lead, snapping YSU's four-game win streak, 84-74.
Team is full.